Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make one page landscape in Microsoft Word document as we can see here like this. So to make only just one page landscape in your Word document, firstly move your cursor in the end of first page, then select this layout tab, then click on break and here select next page. Now you will see your cursor is now in the second page. So click on this orientation and select landscape. Now again click on this end of the second page. So you will see your cursor is now in the end of the second page. Click on layout, breaks and next page. So now cursor is in third page, orientation and select portrait. So this way you can make only one page landscape in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.